so funny to me because I was like, on the Flash, I go really, really fast.
Dude, there was like an edited version where like they put like fucking like Marvel music in the background. They made like a whole cinematic.
And he still fell.
Oh my god, Flash! I can go really fast. You fucking bust his ass, yo! Oh my god.
Yo. Oh my god! Look, I'm like an airbender. I got lightning hands. Like, look, there's just a spark when we touch. Oh my god, Steven. Yo, when I touch you, there's like a spark. Milk?
No, this is milk.
So good and creamy.
Is this Aunt Jemima?
Oops, this much milk. No one ever.
That shit 30% milk. Fucking 66% cup. Some bullshit.
Oh, bro, it's like, I don't know if I'm too sleepy, like if I'm tired and I'm laughing this much, or if it's just because I'm high.
You bitch! I spent so long making that.
What? Oh.
Cap. I made that milk.
You made that milk.
Here.
Thank you for your service.
Do you mind if I make some milk?
What?
Do you mind if I make some milk?
Hey, I made that syrup.
How the fuck did you make the syrup?
Use cornstarch.
I just put brown food coloring in it.
Doo-doo in here.
That shit.
Away from me.
Hold on, I need milk, man. I need milk.
I'm going to bed. You two crazy kids go to bed.
Okay.
Fine.
Where's my room? Wake the fuck up. Where's my room?
Where's my
Outside! You're donkey, nigga. I'm Shrek.
Is my room outside?
Because it's where the animals sleep.
Shrek quoted, yo.
I quoted Shrek, yeah. What? You gonna say I'm old or something? Fuck you.
I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
I ain't sleeping outside.
Ogres have layers.
Get the fuck out, man. Stop talking about ogres. You sleep. You can take one of the
Ogres have
You can take one of the floaties. You can take one of the floaties and sleep on the floor.
There's like 2 bedrooms downstairs.
Those aren't for him.
Hey, this is what I think about your floaties.
Dick move, Hodoro. Dick move.
It came back.
Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bitch. They always come back.
Oh,
Anyways,
God.
those 2 other rooms are for my hoes. I have various women and men come in here.
No,
I'm surprised you haven't died from any STDs.
No, give me.
I can't get STDs. I'm the perfect man.
Bitch, I'm the perfect being. What you talking about?
Someone who's perfect wouldn't have gotten blown into space.
Someone who's perfect wouldn't have to fucking plaster their ass all over the fucking place.
Hey.
Especially one that isn't theirs. You're not perfect.
Fabulous.
Jonathan was.
I am perfect.
It's like that video. It's me, baby. It's me.
Who sent you? Nobody sent me. It's
Who
me,
sent
baby.
you?
It's me. Dude, that's me at Ice Spice's door.
Who sent you? It's me, baby.
It's me, baby. It's me.
It's me, baby.
Nobody sent me, baby. It's me. Like kind
I'm taking one of your
of sleep like with your
rooms.
arms crossed. I wouldn't do that.
I want to have a room.
Why?
There's
Why
a
not?
bunch of milk everywhere.
Clean your shit up.
Well, I'm going
That's
to the
not,
attic.
that's not
You
my.
can't even
No,
get the fuck-
no. Darby said he was gonna clean it, and he never did.
Oh.
Which Darby? The gambling addict?
Yes.
Or the fucking basement dweller?
We have so many hookers up here.
Both. Hey, you leave him alone.
I didn't know I was up here, man.
Yeah, fucking shit up.
eye
My
store.
cock, dog.
I fucking shit up. Hey, watch me make it to the
Yeah.
fucking pool.
You.
I didn't make it.
Bro, I made it. What a goober.
You fucking liar.
You know how people refer to dick cheese?
Look at my epic gamer setup.
I bet this is where you said the N-word on that bridge one day.
Nothing is connected. Two random monitors, a keyboard with no cables and nothing. That's where I watch my adult content.
Where do you put the body?
Okay. We have like a system for that. I normally get the Darbies to like get like a good pile, like just out here,
God damn, that actually
right
fast.
in this specific spot. And we actually no, we replace all the water in the pool with gasoline, and I throw a match in there, and with the bodies in there. And you know, we just let it simmer for a while. It's like the flames are huge, like they get real big, like 20 feet in the air. And yeah, I have kept a few of them alive. I wonder how they're doing. No. The other two
It's
were
got some shitty genes.
fairly attractive. I don't have shitty genes because it's not my
Fuck
shitty
you.
dick.
You can't see me.
Oh my god.
You can't see me. My time is now.
Get the fuck out of here, man. John Cena. Get out of here.
You can't see me.
I can, you're right there.
I shit my pants.
Can't see me.
Yeah. You know what? I'll do you a salad. Come here, take my hand. Ew, never mind.
Cause I hate her.
Fucking ugly.
You're ugly.
I'm not. I'm perfect. Mm-hmm. Ew, what was that? Fuck was that sound? You just vomit? Look, I got a little bedroom from you. Come here.
What if I was laying here, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Someone is staring at me through my window.
I think you mean my window, and the only one that would be looking at you would be me.
Oh.
I swear I just heard someone rip ass.
Sorry. It was me. Sorry. It was me.
Dude, I heard it. That shit sounded angry.
Shit needed to be let out.
Shit tragic, new petting.
I like how there's just a dumbbell in the toilet.
You put it there.
I work out.
I work out while shitting. I be shitting and working out.
I be having the dumbbells and shit while I'm shitting. So like, be honest with me, Dio.
Yes. I was Jonathan Moore.
And you allowed this.
He stole my first kiss in my
And you allowed this.
Jojo.
Listen, Dio. It pains me as a gentleman to say
Still
this,
on my dick.
but fucking kill yourself, you stupid cunt.
Her
I'm fucking
essence is
leaving.
still on my dick, Jojo. You could suck it off. Suck it off. Suck it off if you want her that bad.
Why the fuck
Do
is
it,
there a
Jojo.
dumbbell in the toilet?
We did some kinky things.
Me and her would get freaky. Yeah. Made her shit out some dumbbells, you know. Some normal shit.
The human body is capable of strange things, Jonathan.
The human asshole can be. The human asshole can have 2 raccoons in it.
What the fuck?
Arena, again. Being unfaithful
wait.
again.
That
I don't know how much more of this I
Steven?
can stand. What? Who the fuck?
What? Don't worry about it. It was I, Dio.
Oh yeah, well, I stole your clothes and I dyed them blue.
You thought you were gonna have your fuck. You thought you were gonna have her essence on your dick, but it was I. Dio.
No. No.
I made her soil her britches. She
My
got wet from my
mantra is
dick, not
infected.
yours.
With the juices of Dio. Damn it.
She's gonna have my kid, not yours. Mine.
That's technically my body, so my kid actually.
Technically, you're rich, so.
No. No.
Yeah. Yo. Remember when Smokey became fucking Obama? Yeah, I do.
He was the mayor.
Okay. He was
Wasn't-
Obama.
He was not Obama.
Yeah, he was. Nigga became president, damn near.
Such a precious boy. You look just like
I
me.
beat women.
Nice joke.
Who is this bitch?
This is your grandmother. The slut.
Yo, I can't look at your face. Do the shit you did. Look, I can't do that, bro.
Why you got your mouth open? Oh, for other
That's
eligible
what I'm
suitors.
saying. Close your mouth, bitch. You'll get flies.
Hey, listen. Now, your grandmother may be a gross, disgusting slut that opens it up for everybody, but you will not talk to her in such a manner.
Get your finger out of my face, old man. God damn. Yo, hold up. Hold up. God, a motherfucking damn. So, Miss Joestar, what's good? Miss Joestar, whatever. It's just gonna be cocky ween at the end of the day. So, it don't matter.
What's good, bitch?
You're not even from this anime.
Oh, fuck.
No, you're not in this episode. That shit had me crying. God damn. Does that ass fart?
A little bit.
Never mind. I could be your angel and your devil.
Yeah, I could be your dad.
Get out of here. Daddy,
My pussy is thriving.
hey, get away from me.
Drive. I got a horse, man. I'll be there in a day.
My horse is 1 horsepower.
I got 1 horse, but it got the power of 10.
You
It's
know,
like it's like the Captain America.
I was in the
horse.
steel ball run race. I don't think getting to your place would be that difficult.
You know
Hey,
how
man,
long
after
the
we
steel
can get
ball
some,
run
like,
place took? You know how long it took,
Coffee or
man?
something. Get the fuck out, cripple boy.
Ah, kiss you, boy.
Here's my cute
Gyro, this hair is so long. What the fuck?
Fixed you up last night, and I'll do it again.